Hey everybody, welcome to my Creative Fabrica review. Is it Fabrica or Fabrica? Either way, however you want to say it is cool. This place is awesome. If you sell print-on-demand products, you need to buy this little membership for like $47 or $3.99 per month. And I'm going to show you why right now. If you're selling t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, sweaters, whatever in the print-on-demand world, this is a freaking gold mine. So we've got two options with making designs. We can buy them. We can actually three options. We can buy them, we can hire a designer, or we can use AI to make them. A lot of designs in here are made by AI, but the cool part is this. So right now, let's say we're in, end of September and Halloween's coming up. So you're like, okay, I want to do some Halloween products for my store, or for Etsy, or for Amazon, or for eBay, or wherever you're selling. Look at all these. All these are ready to go. All the designs are done. Look at that. Trump can make Halloween great again. That's actually hilarious. That's amazing. All these are good. And the cool part is this. Look, as soon as I hit print on demand, there's, oh my God, 278,321 products that are licensed for you to use with print on demand. I actually like this shirt. I think I'm actually going to make this for myself because that's hilarious. I love that. That's actually really good. So if you want a design, you just go like this. You go download. It'll download zip file right here. Boom. It's in my folder. And now I can just extract the thing. So right click, extract all, and then extract. And now this lovely little design, I'll maximize that, is available for me to upload to any product that I want. So I could go to create a shirt, create a mug, create a whatever I want to do. I think this would be actually hilarious on a shirt. And there's more files in there too. There, oh, I don't know what that is, but there's your design file anyway. So you can take that design and you can go to your your dashboard and your print on demand supplier and you can create a product like super easy. And that design itself, with the ghost crossing its arms wearing a cap backwards, I could do that with AI. It would just take me a little bit of time to figure out the exact prompt for that. So it's not limited to just Halloween either. Like that is Halloween, but think of this. What's after Halloween? Well, Christmas is coming holiday wise. So you can go here. You can search for Christmas designs. You could even go, let's say you're selling t-shirts. Well, here's t-shirt designs. Then you could click t-shirts and print on demand. And it will only show you t-shirt designs that are available for print on demand. All of these are actually really cool. Like Christmas crew making memories together. This one I could see this being a really good seller already. Merry and Bright, Santa's favorite. I'm fine, this is fine, everything's fine. Like Sorry Santa, I've been feral. All these designs are actually amazing. Merry Christmas, something simple like that. I could see that working really well on your own store or on Etsy or anything. Merry Christmas, like always cold. That's beyond Christmas, but Santa and Company, Merry Christmas. Like these designs are just awesome. Let me read in peace. Okay, that's not so much Christmas, but this is my Hallmark Christmas movie watching shirt. There you go. 'Tis the season, can't catch me. Jesus is the reason for the season. North Pole, Christmas tree farm, always fresh. They got ghosts in Christmas. Interesting cross. In my Christmas era, like, and then you're like, okay, fine. I don't really want to do holidays. I'd rather do, maybe you're in the hunting niche or the fishing niche. So you go, okay, let's look at some fishing ones. Maybe you got a fishing store or you're selling fishing products. Well, you can go here. You don't have to do t-shirt designs. You can just go print on demand and then scroll up and look at all these designs. There is just an unreal amount of designs that are all ready to be used. Bruh, that's actually funny. Wishing I was fishing. That's hilarious. Fish around and find out. Like so many. You can put them on tumblers too. There's tumbler designs. Fishing life. The flag and the fish. Like these ones here with these colors are actually pretty cool. I like those a lot. So if I owned Masturbator, that's a classic one. If I owned a fishing store, these are the things that I would be buying. So there's what, 10 right there? 10 fishing shirt design bundle, trendy best-selling t-shirt designs. Here's the other thing. When you go to Creative Fabrica, they actually have designers that upload their designs here and they'll sell them to you, right? So you have commercial license, you have all that good stuff, but the designers that make, so say these fishing shirts, the designers that make these, they actually went out and researched popular designs. So they would go to like Etsy and they would go to like Amazon and they would search for Shopify stores. They go on eBay, they go on like all the t-shirt marketplaces like Redbubble, Society 6 and Zazzle and T Republic and all those sites, and they'll find the best sellers, and then they'll make their own designs. So there isn't a like back in the day. I'm going to be old now. Back in the day, if I were in the fishing niche and I wanted to create a fishing store and sell fishing products, I would have to go out and hire a designer to make all these, and it would cost me a small fortune. Now, for $3.99 a month, it's a no-brainer. It's an absolute no-brainer. Like, I will never get rid of my Creative Fabrica account because the ideas that I can get from here are nuts. So if you want to see another example, let's go to Etsy and let's just look up something. I don't know, what's a popular niche? Got a lot of Trump shirts on here. Let's go. Well, you know what? Let's find some popular t-shirt niches. So I'm going to go to my buddy, because I want to show you an example. What are the best selling t-shirt niches in the past 10 years? And this ChatGPT is awesome. So pop culture, political, okay. Yeah, I know that. Fitness and well, okay, fitness would be huge. Humor and sarcasm, hobbies and interests, animals and pets, of course. Family play. Okay, let's go humor and sarcasm. So let's go here and let's type in funny t-shirt. And I won't find here. There's a bunch of funny ones. Now what I'm going to do too is I'm going to go all filters. And I'm going to go with physical product, physical item. Then I'm going to go star seller. Then I'm going to put show results. Then up here in the URL, I'm going to remove the word star and replace it with best. Everybody knows this trick. Now I've got only best sellers. There's one right there. This is a boo sheet. So we already saw that design. Today I'm a serious goose. Well, yes, actually I can drive stick. Okay. This one with like kind of tying it into Halloween, but how many reviews? 66 reviews. So it's got some sales already. Let's find a bigger one. Capybara shirt, rodent shirt. That's funny. I got this dog in me. Nice. It's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. First of all, I'm a delight. So let's see this one. 141 reviews. Okay, so it's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. All right, let's go back here. Let's go to the main page. And let's go. It's fine. I'm fine. So we know that the design itself is working. So let's find, there's 354 designs. There's one right there. We know this thing is selling on Etsy, and I could easily, look, there's different animals too. It's fine, I'm fine, everything. Like multiple designs that are using that quote. Like you have 354 options here. You could open up a it's fine, I'm fine, everything's fine store and have 350 products in it. And that's just one like quote that I found on Etsy that is like kicking butt. Here's the other one. I don't really want to do another Halloween one. Okay, so first of all, I'm a delight. Let's see if we can get that one. So let's go up here. First of all, I'm a delight. I don't know if this will work. I haven't even tried this. No. Okay, so first of all, try that. Maybe I went too deep. Yeah, here we go. So another one. So first of all, I'm a delight. So this one is popular. It was up here too. So what happened is designers, look at that, 10 reviews. Okay, let's go back here, find this one. And that has 34 reviews, so it is selling. But what happened is designers went on to like Etsy and found that, And then they said, okay, I can make my own version. And now if I go to down here and print on demand, oh my God. What? 97,704 shirts. So, and they're all different. They're all different designs by designers. So you don't even, there's another one. Like you don't even have to be a designer anymore to do this stuff. You pay $4 a month to Creative Fabrica, and you can go to Etsy and find them, and you can easily create your own. So whatever your niche is, it doesn't really matter. They have a ton in here, like just a ton of different t-shirt designs. Like oh man, the niches that you can get into are just insane. What else we got? I'll do one more, and then I'll leave you guys alone. So let's go with like a retro's good, travel's good. Okay, let's go like this. And let's go here. And I'm just going to put in my main keyword. And let's find all the camping ones. So let's go to print on demand. 31,596 designs for camping. And then if I want, I could go like t-shirts. But you don't have to. So life is better around the campfire. No city light, just campfire nights. All this stuff, all this stuff, all this stuff. So I could cross-reference this and go to Etsy and type in camping to figure that out if I wanted. Funny camping shirt. Oh, spelled it wrong, but Etsy doesn't care. And then I've got them sorted by, I could find bestsellers like Hide and Seek World Champion, Dogs, Coffee, and Camping, Queen of the Camper, just here for the hookups. That's actually funny. It's selling too. It's got 4 reviews. That means it's selling. So then back here under my camping shirts, I can find a bunch of those. There's a mega camping bundle. Like you can make your own, okay, or you could just buy them from here, and you could test them out with some ads on your store, on your own store, or you could upload them to. There's one. Today's agenda: coffee, camper, beer, campfire. That's a cool design. I like that. Very cool. So anyway, the options are unlimited when you use Creative Fabrica to get your designs. And you're thinking, well, everybody else can use these too. That's true, but not everybody else can actually market, and not everybody else knows how to like run ads, and not everybody else has their own store. So what a lot of people will do is they'll take this design and they'll slap it up on Etsy, and then they'll just sit back and wait. But if you're a little bit more advanced, or you want to move a little bit faster and have a little bit more control, I would suggest taking the design, creating your own store, putting it on your store, and then running ads to your store. That's the best way to do it, because then you control the traffic and then you control the sales. Because just because it's not like if you build it, they will come. That's not the way print on demand works. It's like if you build it, that's nice. Now get some traffic to it. So anyway, I'll put the link in the description, but this is where you need to get an account, because you can, in any niche, virtually any niche on the planet, you can get this. Look at this wine. I know I said last one, but I can't help it. I get so many ideas, and I'm like, I want to open up that store now, and that store now, and that store now. And if I go here to t-shirts, and then I go to print on demand, and look at that. A woman cannot survive on wine alone. She also needs cats. This one, oh man, that would sell really well for Christmas. There's a Halloween one. Which way to the wine? Like wine, turkey, family. Which way to the wine? So we're getting a lot of Halloween themed ones in here. The wine, the beer, the whiskey, they always get to me. If you're happy and you know it, it's you drink, so I spelled it wrong. Roses are red, blah, 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 wine. Hocus pocus, I need wine to focus. All right, I'm going to close with that. Go get an account here if you don't have one. It's an amazing resource, and you're going to love it. Just remember to select print on demand at minimum. You don't even need to select like t-shirt, because if I take that off, I get even more results here. So now I've got 41,422 results. And just because like these are showing different products, it doesn't matter. Like this is showing for wine quotes on like a wine glass, which is a good match, but you can certainly take those and put them on a t-shirt too if you want it, or a hoodie or a sweater or whatever else you want. So an amazing amount of options here. You are never drink. You're never stuck with 4 designs ever again in your life because of this place. And this page is $47 for 12 months. only $4 a month. No brainer. Okay, you own the license to these. You can sell them. You can't resell them, but you can sell them. That's just an amazing resource. So I highly suggest you get an account here. Go through your niche, and you can even explore other niches. And you'll get some ideas. Like I basically have like 25 stores I want to open right now because I've seen so many of these. Anyway, go do it now, and if you have any questions, let me know.